Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am Anna Maria and you are watching Miracle Orchids, the place you can learn everything there is to know about growing orchids. Alright guys, so today we have a super interesting topic. I have just received this box from Gemma. It is a company which makes orchid lights, and I know quite a few are interested. Quite a few of you are interested in growing orchids under lights, and you never know which one is suited light for orchids, being also cost efficient and making your orchids grow well and bloom okay. So they wanted to send me one of their products to test out, and in a few months I am going to do an update with how all worked and how the orchids grew under this time. So here we seem to have the hanging tools. Oh, they sent me this is so cute, look at this. I don't think it does not have any batteries in there. Yes, so I'm going to put some. It seems that they sent me a little lighty thingy. I really don't recall the name of this in English, but this is super nice, especially when you want to see sheets, when you want to see if inside a sheet you have any buds, or you are entering in your growing space and you did not open the lights, so you need to use some sort of light until you actually see where you are going through. So this is super cool, and it also has a hanging thingy, so that is very nice. Thank you so much. I did not knew that this thing will come with the package. It has a normal plug, a normal European plug, which is good. And let's see the actual product. It is packed very well. Oopsie, that was my cat. She scared me. Alrighty. And here it is. So it is a very small box, and I have printed a few details about this product because I wanted to actually show it to you. So here it is. Here on the glass it seems that it has a little scratch, but that doesn't affect the quality of the product. So it arrived well. It seems quite sturdy. The material is very high quality, as from what they say, everything which is used in this. So now I want to hang it and see how much light it does. So now let's talk a little bit about the actual product, guys. Alright, so growing orchids under light can be proved quite difficult in many occasions, especially if you don't choose proper growing lights with a full spectrum. If you are putting only white light or yellowy light, your orchids will not grow properly, will have lumpy and not strong enough growths, let's say. So you have to have a full spectrum with red and blue and green, and these grow lights from Gemma are pretty much the only ones that I have seen on the market so far that are the closest to imitate the natural spectrum of light, so the light that is natural from the sunlight. That is quite nice. So they say they have used blue and red light mainly where chlorophyll and carotene are produced at most, and that they have used green light to promote anthocyanin, but also stem and leaf cell development. The spectrum is also fitted with near infrared wavelengths, which helps visible red light during flowering and fruiting phases and penetrate deeper into the cell structure of the plant, increasing the effect of the red visible wavelengths. All in all, a wholesome spectrum for growing with wavelengths combined in a naturally distributed ratio, not only providing the plant with all the light it craves, but it is a great experience to work with their selection of wavelengths as and the ratio used produces a pure white light that brings out and highlights all the color of the plant in a great way. They also say that the grow lights are suited for all type of plants and for all growth stages, regardless if the plant has just been purchased or you have grown it from seed. The spectrum is well suited for leafy green plants as well as for flowering and fruiting plants and can be used for wintering plants that have been grown outside and for maintenance of tropical plants and trees. They have many types of grow lights, but these are the ones which I like the best. I have watched a bit on their website, and you can actually interconnect more of these LED lights and more of these units. You can interconnect by some screws and some things that they will provide if you buy more of them. So you can have if you want to light a bigger area in your grow room, so that is quite nice. They also have some discounts. If you check a little bit, this is a 50-watt grow light with which actually provides an 100-watt spectrum of light, so that sounds quite nice. The price of this unit is normally 99 euros, and if you buy more of them, they have other prices actually, which come a lot more cheaper. But also they have set a discount code for you, my subscribers, so I will put that in the description of this box. What I did find quite interesting, it is that the life expectancy of this unit, it is 50,000 hours. That is incredible, guys. And they say the module produces 5,000 lux, so I'm more used with foot candles rather than lux. This is the way you can actually measure the light, so I will need to get used with this new format. It is a light beam angle of 90 degrees, which is better for what I wanted to use because I am using it indoors. The unit weighs 1 kilogram and it has a warranty of 2 years, which is quite nice. Usually when I am buying things online, I am quite aware that many of the sellers don't provide a warranty. So this is quite nice. They developed the lights. They are not just bought from China and resold under a different brand, which is quite nice. I know they have used very quality tools, and they have even calculated the operating cost at 4 euros per month. If you check 15 cents, so if a watt is costing you 50 cents, and if you run it 18 hours a day, it should cost you about 4 euros a month, which is quite nice. So I'm super excited to try this out, also because I am rearranging my balcony. I am going to do that pretty soon, so I'm going to see this night how much light this thing provides, and I'm going to show to you then how I am going to use it, and we are going to do some tutorials about growing orchids under lights. So I wanted to test this out. Right now it is summer. I have a lot of my orchids outdoors, you already know that. So a lot of my orchids are on the windowsill, and if you look a bit more closely, there you can have, I have orchids outdoors as well, but this is for the summertime. Soon enough it will be too cold to grow orchids outdoors. I will need to bring all my cattleys indoors, and I'm going to arrange more shelves in my balcony, but my balcony is super small. Let me actually show to you. Right now it is very messy, but it will look a lot more pretty soon enough. So there we go. I need to clean it up, but I wanted to show to you. So right now it is quite bright because they are arranged in such way that I can actually have quite a good amount of light, but soon enough that shelf in there, the white one, will get thrown away, and I will move this shelf in here in the place of that furniture, and on this wall where I have this chromed shelf, I will install some hanging shelves. I will actually take you along. So I will need more light, I will have more plants, but or actually I will bring the outdoor plants inside, and they will not have enough light, or at least not in the winter time. What I am planning to do, it is because in the winter time I just don't have enough light, I'm going to use these grow lights to supplement the light that my orchids receive. So right now the day is getting shortened, so we are getting less and less light, and here in Romania we are getting more and more rainy days and cloudy days also. While in summer it's super bright, in autumn we get a lot of rain, and in winter sometimes we have even, I think once we have 32 days without any sunshine. So it was super cloudy. The orchids suffered a lot during that time, so I need to make sure that my orchids will get enough light during the winter as well, and this is where the LED lights will come in handy. So I'm super excited to take you along and see how my orchids will react to it, if they will grow any more vigorous, if they will grow faster, if they will not stop to grow during the winter. I'm still thinking about how many hours I will run it. I'm going to see, so I will come back with a tutorial about that. And we can see that it pretty much lights all my balcony. I will not set it as you see. Actually I wanted to lighten up this part, but right now I am going to change up things in my balcony. So this thing here, this furniture right here will go away, and this shelf will go into that side, and here I will put some hanging shelves which will be pretty much till here, and then I will find a suitable place to arrange the lights. So I want this whole part actually to receive light, but I just wanted to show to you that it does not make a lot of noise. It does have some cooling fans, and that is quite nice, and it has so much light. I will try to show to you. Actually it's super bright. Right now is pretty much dark, and this thing provides quite a lot of light, and what I intend it to do, it is to stay rather like this. So you see I will have pretty much light on this side, and if I will put the light more in the back, so more close to the window, it will even have a wider surface to spread the light, so that would be quite nice. Now I'm going to turn it off because right now I am not going to use it. I already made the order for the shelves, and then I will install it. So I will start to use the lights after I install the shelves, and I will show to you exactly how those will look like. It is super easy to use. It has here a switch on and off, and it's super easy. You just plug end of the wire here and the other one into a plug thingy. So that is quite nice. I'm super happy with how it looks like, and it has a lot of potential. Right now as I said, it is not installed properly. I want to find a place where it will lighten up all this part in here. So I will show to you there exactly how it will look like. But for now, this is pretty much all for today, guys. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any experience with growing orchids under lights. I have used them in the past, another type of lights, and I totally want to say that this is far more nicer to the eye, because it does provide a lot of bright light, but once I close the door, it only is like a normal light. It does not upset the neighbors. That is quite nice, and it does not make a lot of noise, so that is nice. I have read they have used very good quality materials, so I'm sure it is very durable. It is supposed to last 50,000 hours, which is a huge amount of time. You can see right now it is lightening up the um, ceiling as well. That is not where I need the light anyway. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.